In this video, we are going to show you some problem from this exercise, that is exercise 11 on the chapter area of parallelograms and triangles. See, this in your Arvind Agarwal exercise number 11. Number 2, we are going to start from number 2. See, here it is given ABCD is a parallelogram and these dimensions are given. That is AB is given 5. CD is given also, this is the opposite side 5, and this is given 7 centimeter and this is 90 degree. Both these are angles are 90 degree. Now the same procedure we have already just learned from the theorem also. This ABCD is a parallelogram, this diagonal bisect this into two triangle, here ABD and BCD. Therefore the whole area of this ABCD parallelogram, it will be the area of ABD plus area of BCD. Area of ABD, it will be half base into height, AB into BD, and area of BDC, this is the base, this is the height, this is half BCD, DC into BD. So this is simply, this is 2 into 5 into 7, this is the area of this is 2 into 5 into 7. So this is 35 by 2 plus 35 by 2, it is coming 35 centimeter square. Next one is given ABCD is a parallelogram whose, that is this AB is given. AB is given 10 semi, this is 10 semi, and DL it is 6 semi, and BM is given 8 semi. We need to find out the value of AD. See, area of ABCD parallelogram, we know base into height. So if we are just taking the base first AB, then their corresponding height will be DL. And if we are just taking the base of ABCD, base is AD, then their corresponding height will be BM. So the area of ABCD, it will be AB into DL. In one way, this is base is AB, and another way it is base is AC, base is AD into BM. Now these are same, the areas are actually the same of this ABCD, so we can also just equate this one. Now we are putting this value AD, we need to find out AD, that AD into 8 equal to 10 into 6, so AD equal to 7.5. 5 is given, that we have to find out the trapezium whose parallel sides given 9 semi, another is given 6 semi, and respectively their distance between these two sides are 8 semi. ABCD is a trapezium. We know the area of the trapezium equal to half into sum of these two parallel lines into their height between them. So here it is given AB is given 9, this is given 6, and CL is given 8, that is the height. So just putting this, all this value over here, we can find it out. Half into 10 plus 6 into 8, so it is cutted off 4. This is 16 into 4 is 64 centimeters square. Next is come to number 6.2. This is also a good problem. This is related to this trapezium. Here it is given, this is the figure PQRS. Here it is given PT 8, TQ 8, QR 17 and SR 8. PQRS, area of PQRS. Now see, here these two angles are given 90 degree. If RS is perpendicular on SP and UP also perpendicular on SP, then these two lines will be parallel to each other. If these two lines are parallel to each other, then PQRS, it will be a trapezium, because one pair opposite sides are parallel. This pair is not parallel because 90 degree, this is on inclined over here. So we can apply over here the formula of the area of the trapezium. Now this trapezium, if you want to find out the area of the trapezium, this the distance between these two lines is required. So we do not know actually the RT. We have to find out RT from this triangle. So here this is the right triangle RTQ, where T angle is 90 degree. This is the hypotenuse. We can also find it out, that is RT equal to square root of QR square. RT equal to square root of RQ square minus TQ square. Now putting the value, this is 17 square minus 8 square, it is coming 289 minus 64, this is 225, square root of 225 equal to 15. Now we got this value of RT. If we are now going to find out the area of this trapezium ABCD, then value its area will be half into sum of their parallel sides into the height between them, that is PQ plus SR into R into RT. So here PQ equal to PT plus TQ, that is 8 plus 8, and this is also 8 into this is 15. So it is half, that is half into 24 into 15, this is 12, 12 into 15 equal to 180. So students, you have seen, if you go through the theorem very thoroughly and learn the theorems, you can apply to solve all these type of problems very easily and very smoothly. Try to just solve some problems from here within yourself. I shall show you some more problems in my next video. Thank you very much.